Apple just changed everything with the iPhone SE 4. And nitrogen monoxide one saw this coming. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to launch in March 2025, following Apple's traditional spring release cycle for its budget-friendly models. This aligns with the previous SE launches, such as the iPhone SE 3, which was introduced in March 2022, while Apple has yet to confirm the exact date. Multiple sources suggest an unveiling event in early spring, making it one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year. Apple is set to give the iPhone SE series a major design overhaul, moving away from the dated iPhone 8 look. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to adopt a 6.1-inch OLED display with a notch, resembling the iPhone 14. This means no more home button, as Apple is replacing it with Face ID for authentication. The OLED panel will offer deeper blacks, better contrast, and improved power efficiency compared to the LCD screen used in previous SE models. At the heart of the iPhone SE 4 is the A18 Bionic chip, Apple's latest and most powerful processor. This upgrade ensures faster processing speeds, improved AI capabilities, and energy efficiency, making the SE 4 a powerful device for its price range. With this chip, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to handle demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and AI-driven applications effortlessly. One of the most significant upgrades in the iPhone SE 4 is its 8GB of RAM, a first for the SE lineup. This substantial increase in memory allows for smoother multitasking, improved app performance, and support for Apple Intelligence features expected in iOS 18. More RAM ensures the device can efficiently handle future software updates, keeping it relevant for years. Apple is expected to increase the base storage of the iPhone SE 4, likely starting at 128GB compared to the 64GB base model in the SE 3. Additional 256GB and 512GB variants may be available for users who need more space for apps, media, and files. This expansion caters to modern user needs, where higher resolution images and larger app sizes demand more storage. For the first time in the SE series, Apple is rumored to introduce a 4.8MP single-lens rear camera, a massive jump from the 1.2MP sensor on the previous model. This upgrade will enable sharper photos, improved low-light performance, and support for advanced computational photography features. The 1.2MP front camera is also expected to enhance selfie quality and FaceTime video calls. Despite having a single rear camera, software improvements could bring portrait mode, night mode, and Smart HD enhancements. Following Apple's recent shift to USB-C, the iPhone SE 4 will ditch the Lightning port in favor of USB-C charging and data transfer, offering faster speeds and broader accessory compatibility. It will also come with Apple's in-house 5G modem, ensuring faster and more reliable network connectivity, reducing dependence on Qualcomm's chips. This makes the iPhone SE 4 a future-proof device in terms of connectivity. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to feature a 3279 mAh battery, a notable increase from its predecessor. Combined with the energy-efficient A18 Bionic chip and OLED display, this will likely lead to longer battery life, offering all-day performance on a single charge. Fast charging and MagSafe support may also be included. Shipped with iOS 18, the iPhone SE 4 will bring the latest features, including Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-driven capabilities improving Siri, text suggestions, and automation. Being an Apple device, the SE 4 will receive regular software updates for at least 5 to 6 years, ensuring long-term security and feature enhancements. Apple may offer the iPhone SE 4 in at least two confirmed colors, black and white. However, leaks suggest the possibility of additional color options like blue, red, or product red. These choices would provide a more modern and stylish look, making the SE 4 appealing to a broader audience. Despite all these upgrades, Apple is expected to maintain a budget-friendly price for the iPhone SE 4, starting at $499 in the US and around €599 in Europe. This pricing keeps it competitive as an entry-level iPhone, offering premium features at an affordable cost. The iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be a game-changer for budget-conscious iPhone users, bringing modern design, flagship-level performance, and improved battery life while maintaining an affordable price point. If these rumors hold true, it could be the best value-for-money iPhone Apple has ever released. Is this the best budget iPhone ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive Apple updates.